Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating a custom page template in WordPress. In this session you will learn how to easily design a template for your website in just a few minutes, starting from logging into your WordPress account and finishing with editing your new template. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button. Clicking this button initiates the sign-in process for your account. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. For a streamlined experience, select the option that says Continue with Google. This choice leverages your existing Google credentials, allowing you to sign in quickly and securely without remembering additional passwords or details. When you click on Continue with Google, a new window will prompt you to choose from the Google accounts available on your device. Simply select your preferred account, and WordPress will authenticate your login. Once you are logged in, the next phase of the process begins with navigating the WordPress dashboard. Look for the Quick Links section, which is typically found on the main dashboard page. Within this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will transport you to the Site Editor area, where you can begin making the changes you want. Now that you are in the Site Editor interface, focus on finding the Templates section. This option is usually available as part of a menu or toolbar within the editor area. Selecting templates is a key step because it allows you to view and manage the variety of templates available for your website. Once the templates page opens, locate the option at the top right corner of the screen that says Add Template. This action signals your intent to begin creating a personalized design structure. Upon clicking Add Template, a menu of template choices will be displayed. At this point, look for the option labeled Custom Template. This selection is important because it indicates that you are starting from scratch, and you will be able to name and design your template according to your specific requirements. By clicking Custom Template, you are now entering a creative phase where your design ideas come to life. After selecting the Custom Template option, you will be prompted to type in a name for your new template. This name will help you identify the template later in your list of designs, so make sure to choose a clear and memorable title that reflects its purpose or style. Once you have entered your chosen name, click Create. This finalizes the initial setup process and begins the creation of your custom page template. With your new template created, you now have the flexibility to choose a starting pattern for your design. The available patterns can serve as a foundation upon which you will build your custom look. Select the pattern that best aligns with your design vision. Finally, begin editing your template, utilizing WordPress's intuitive site editor. This editor provides you with the tools to modify layout, add content, arrange sections, and style your website exactly the way you want it to appear. By following these steps, you have successfully created and edited a custom page template for your WordPress site. Enjoy the creative process and feel confident in your ability to tailor your website design to meet your needs.